Good morning to everyone present here, respected father, prefect, teachers, and my true brothers. We have gathered here to celebrate one of the most remarkable festivals in Bangladesh, popularly known as in the common language Poila Boishakh or the Bengali New Year. The Bengali New Year is one of the festivals that remarks the beginning of a new chapter in everyone's life. It's a day that is celebrated widely in the entire of Bangladesh, and I would say in everyone living outside Bangladesh, those who are Bengalis. It is a festival that unites the people irrespective of their culture, irrespective of their religion, and it's the only festival in Bangladesh that is celebrated on the basis of that the past is the past and we should always look on the future. And the festival of Poila Boishakh represents the beginning of the new year as in that like we should always strive for the betterment of our society and not only our personal self. It remarks on our journey to reunite with friends, resolve conflict, and look for the betterment of the nation. আমি বলতে চাচ্ছি যে the Bengali New Year এমন একটা ফেস্টিভ্যাল যে the people of Bangladesh, the nationalities of Bangladesh, they celebrate it with a very joyful manner. It includes a holiday and they usually go out, enjoy the day. It's like a me day for everyone. Everyone is equal on that day. There is no me, you. There's just one. We are Bangladeshis. That's all. On that day, it's that. It reminds us of who we are, what our culture is, we have been passed on from generations and generations to come. It represents a symbol of our existence on earth. It represents our nation. It represents our culture. Lastly, I would like to say that প্রথমে Joy Bangla, and I hope that this new year brings prosperity and joy to everyone in our nation and across the world. And Shubh Navabarsh. Thank you.
Nobody